After watching this video, you can get results like these, and these. In this video, I'm going to show you guys one of the best ways to trade an expert option without losing your money. This strategy is used by many professional traders to achieve their goals without losing any money. And also, this strategy is very beginner friendly, so if you're new to expert option, do not worry. You will be also able to use this strategy without any problems. This strategy is called the spike method trading. In the expert option market, we can see spikes like these and these. In the market, we can use these spikes for our advantage by analyzing a market a bit. After seeing whether the market is going on an uptrend or a downtrend, we can use these spikes to place our trades. Before I explain the full strategy, I'm going to show you guys one example trade. As you guys can see, the markets have an uptrend. I'm going to wait until a spike forms such as this one to place my trade. As you guys can see, a spike has formed and I placed the trade according to the market's trend. The advantage of this strategy is, this strategy has a very high winning probability to it. But as always, I say, do not place an order without proper analyzation on the market. If you didn't analyze the market and tried to place a trade using this strategy, the winning probability will decrease. As you guys can see, I won this trade and got an $80 profit. I usually also do not recommend using this much amount of money for one trade. Always try to put trades lower than $25 so it would be low risk of losing high amounts of money. Okay, let's get back to the strategy. So, first of all, you must analyze the market thoroughly, as I said earlier. After finding the market's current trend, you have to look for spikes like these in the market. Whenever a spike tries to form in the market, you must put a trade according to the market's trend. As an example, in this we can take this market. This market currently has an uptrend to it. So, when the market makes a downward spike like this, I'm going to place an up trade. Using this strategy, most of the time we can lower the risk of losing our trade in expert option. Also, this trading method is recommended by tons of professional traders across various of binary trading platforms. As you guys can see, we won that trade also. If you're having trouble understanding this strategy, I recommend you watch the last 2 minutes of this video again. If you're having any doubts, leave them in the comment section. I'll reply to your comments as soon as possible. As I said earlier, before you implement this strategy, you must have a knowledge about how to analyze a market in expert option. You will have to find out the market is going on an uptrend or a downtrend before placing your trades. Now I'm going to show you guys some trades I place using this exact same strategy. I'm going to place the order as I said earlier. First, analyze the market and then place the order according to the market trend after the market forms a spike. As you guys can see, I got more than $500 of profit from these few trades. As I always say, analyze the market before you trade and you also will get these kinds of results. If you learned something new in this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.